Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. I'm here to help you, not to get free stuff, but to save money any way you can. And what I'm about to tell you about is a great app for every day. Now, we got vehicles, we got to drive them. And we got to drive them, it don't cost. It costs money to drive them. The app I'm about to tell you about is Get Upside. Upside. And it's a great app. And to save, to get cash back, it's like getting free gas for your automobile. That's right. Like I said, this is not sponsor anything, but I get a small referral commission for what I'm about to tell you about Get Upside. And it's a great app, like I said, to save money on gas. You notice those prices going up? You gotta get it. You gotta get it now. Like I said, the link is below. Please go and save money. And if you save money, you can get, if you sign up with PayPal, you can get paid that way. First they have to be $10 up for you to start getting your payment. But you could get, like I said, PayPal. If you sign up with them, you can get your money through PayPal. Or you could get the tremendous gift cards they have available you'll see on the app. You gotta get it. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The link is below. Get started. Get that free gas. You will love it. And thank you.